Dr. Daniel Nichols in the house. You may know him from those TV commercials. I hope you know him from going to his practice. How is business? You must be awfully busy.
We are very busy these days.
I bet
Absolutely.
you are. Well, we want to know a little bit about your practice in general and then get a little more specific.
Sure.
Where are you located?
We're located in 20 years, 1330 North Pleasantburg Drive, across from Bob Jones' Lake Forest Shopping
You know,
Center.
it's not becoming July. You can't have practiced 20 years. You're not old enough.
July the 15th.
Really?
Really, absolutely. I started when I was 25. I was the youngest dentist in South Carolina.
Well, you're still young,
My
45.
goodness.
Yeah.
And all those businesses in Lake Forest Shopping Center, man, you guys.
We know where that is.
That's right.
It's just a landmark.
It
It's
really is a
wonderful place.
landmark.
Yes,
It certainly is. I hear, I mean, even from some folks in my own family, people talk about you, your practice, even your commercials, because they see a distinction
Sure.
between you and some others. And I'm going to let you explain that distinction that you talk about.
Well, about 20 years ago, I had a lady who came to me. She goes, I want you to be my dentist, but will you be my dentist and take care of everything that I need? She goes, because I don't want to be sent around all over town. Every time I get ready to go somewhere, my physician or my dentist, I need a root canal, they send me out. I need a crown, they send me out. I need a tooth pulled, they send me out. So I said, you know what? That's my niche. That's where I want to be because I love people. I feel like 40 people, my best friends come and see me every day.
Right.
Well,
So
you're a cosmetic dentist, too. I mean,
we do it all.
Than doing that implant stuff and extraction.
But you're so right. When you go to one place and they say, well, we need to send you to such and such, then you got to wait on that appointment. And the whole process just gets dragged out so long.
Yeah. And, you know, these days we're busy. We don't have a lot of time.
Yeah.
So if you can come to me, about 98% of my patients, because of my advanced dental training, can have all their dental work done by me in my office.
Okay.
And so there is no riding around town. And if you need me, all my patients get my personal cell phone number. You need me, you call me, and it's all done in one place, and you have one person to deal with.
Well, the thing that blew me away is the fact that you can make a crown at your office.
Absolutely.
And that's one of those things that a lot of dentists send you away to get the root canal.
One appointment.
Yeah, but you make it in the office.
We make it. We have a machine called a CEREC machine.
Yeah.
And we've got we just upgraded to the latest camera and acquisition unit. And you come in and you sit down and we prepare your tooth. We image it to the camera, to the machine. It mills it out. We put it in. You go home. You're done. There's no temporaries to fall off. There's no second appointments, no second shots, no second trip.
I have to bring up something, and this is a very, very true story. I was at a birthday party the other day, and someone started talking about going to the dentist, and someone said, I don't go. I haven't been since, and they named how many years.
Right.
And it was a lot.
Yeah.
And they said, I don't like them. Well, hang on.
Well, it's not a personal thing,
It's not a personal thing, but you are the first dentist I have known who acknowledges the fact that there are people afraid of, scared of the profession that you're in, and you know there's no need to be.
There is no need to be. Dentistry doesn't have to hurt, and unfortunately, there have been a lot of people who have been hurt, and you just don't get over it.
Right.
But I feel very good about what we're doing. We had a lady who came in this week, had not been to a dentist in 30 years.
Yeah.
And they're terrified. The first thing they get in the chair, they say, you know what, don't fuss at me. And because I said, well, what happened? She said, well, the last dentist I went to see, I walked in, the guy fussed at me, he hurt me, and I never went back. And that's sad. So we want to change that. I mean, that's my personal goal in life. So much of your dental health is tied to, your systemic health, your heart disease, that sort of thing. We don't want people to,
Well,
and it's true. If you weren't there the last 6 months, some dentists will read you the riot act.
You're aware of that problem because in at least one of your commercials, you very quietly point out you're not there to judge people.
I am not.
The dentist doesn't need to fuss at you.
We don't need to fuss. I'm honored when my patients come and see me. To me, that's an honor to allow me to take care of you.
Sure.
Right.
So, that's amazing. Implants. Those are. Tell me about implants.
Implants are probably the greatest thing that's ever happened to dentistry.
Yeah.
We can replace a tooth. People who unfortunately have loose, floppy dentures, and if you have a lower denture, I know they suffer from it. We can put in 2 to 4 implants, and that denture will never move again. And it's changing lives that way.
Right.
So if they would like to talk to you about this further, setting up an appointment, I guess, would be the best way.
Yes, just give me a call, talk to Summer, and we'll be glad to talk to you.
Okay. So Summer's who you're going to get at the front desk. The phone number is right there on your screen, 244-3211. And thank you so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Thanks
No
for
fee
having
for
me.
consultation, I guess.
Just give me a call. We'll take care of you.
Thanks, Don.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Coming up, providing a great atmosphere for your children for sports. Upward Sports. We want to tell you about these folks. They're coming up next.
Good stuff.
Yeah.